हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू ब्लूबियर्ड ट्रैवलर। मेरा नाम है रवनीत और मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा आज एक बहुत ही शानदार रिजॉर्ट। दिस रिजॉर्ट्स नेम इज सांताना बीच रिजॉर्ट। सांताना इज अ प्रीमियम 3-star बीच रिजॉर्ट विच इज लोकेटेड बैंग ऑन कांदोलिम बीच, नॉर्थ गोवा में। ये जो आप वीडियो देख रहे हैं हमने शुरू की है पूल से। दिस इज द बिगर पूल दैट वी हैव ओवर देयर इन द होटल। Yes guys, I am the head of sales of the hotel. I manage online revenue and Towno offices for the hotel. Towno basically is the sales force of the hotel. We have offices across the country. We have a walk-in office in Dehradun, and then we have team working out of Pune, Bangalore, Delhi, Goa and Dehradun itself. मैं आपको लेके जा रहा हूँ अपनी ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी के थ्रू। Located in North Goa, we are a beachfront resort bang on Candolim beach. We are a beachfront property, yes, which means आप directly access कर सकते हैं बीच को हमारे होटल से। You can access outside from the main road. इस सेगमेंट के वीडियो के एंड पे मैंने एक छोटा सा ग्लिम्स रखा है जहाँ पे सांताना बीच रिजॉर्ट के बाहर से आपको समुंदर दिखाई देगा। We have 2 pools in a resort. एक तो आप बड़ा वाला स्प्लैश पूल देख ही चुके हैं। There is a smaller pool by the restaurant Olegario. Santana Beach Resort is located in North Goa, bang on Candolim Beach. Again, we are a beachfront property. अगर आपको यहाँ आना है तो आप by bus, which is stopping at Panjim या फिर मापुसा आ सकते हैं। The closest bus stand to our property is Mapusa. You can alternatively catch a train which comes to Thivim. Thivim is closest to North Goa to our resort, followed by Karmali, which is in Panjim, followed by Vasco, which is next to Dabolim. Madgaon अगर आप उतर रहे हैं तो minded Madgaon is in South Goa, which is very far from the hotel. Airport Dabolim में ही है, which is about to shift to Mopa, but let's see when that happens. We have a beautiful shack on the beach by the name of Calamari Bath and Binge, which is bang on the beach. ये हम सीजन में खोलते हैं. The timings mostly vary. Sometimes mid-October, sometimes October and sometimes November, depending upon when the permissions come. For bookings, you can reach out to me on the given number. मेरा number description में mentioned है 7768827860. You can write or email to me at santana@towno.in, and you can also visit our official website, which is www.santana-goa.com. You can also visit our Dehradun sales office, which is located on GMS Road on the way to Mussoorie. हमारा वहाँ पे ऑफिस है just above खोपचे फूड कैफे, which is next to Wadia Institute. If you like what I've posted, please like, share, comment and subscribe.